Hi, Michael. Since it's going to be another week or two before we get together, I thought I'd quickly give you a rundown on how to make those changes in your views that you brought up in your last email. So, a couple of things. To remove a column from your view, it's pretty easy, right? You select the column you want, right click, say remove that column, and it'll be removed from your screen. Nothing to it. And these changes persist, so it will last. If you leave and come back later, right? If I go over to leads and then later come back to opportunities, that change that I made should still be resident in the system, right? So that's one. The next thing that you might want to do, or that I know you want to do, is you want to add columns. So this part has one little trick to it. So watch me. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose add columns. I need to take this from frequently used fields down here to where it says user defined fields in the folder. That's the trick. Once you do that, the fields that are displayed are just the CRM fields that are appropriate for whatever object you're looking at. So you can scroll down and decide what you want to move over. As you can see, we have a lot of fields. If I wanted to look at lead source, I'd highlight lead source and choose add. It's going to automatically show up at the bottom. I can use my move up command to move it up on the screen. I can also remove other things if I don't want those in my view as well by highlighting them and clicking remove from here. But once I say OK, if I move down to where we added lead source on my view, you'll see that lead source has now been added. Right? So easy way to do that. I can also decide after I've done that I want to put lead source someplace else, and because it's the Outlook client, I can simply grab it, drag it to where I want it, and drop it, and it will stay in that location. So hopefully that'll get you where you want to go with getting your fields changed around, right? You want to go in, find the state field that you don't want, right click, delete it, go to add columns, change it to user defined columns, find the one that you want, the right state field to add there, and just pop it back onto your form and move it wherever you want. Hopefully that's enough to get you where you need to be. If not, then we'll talk about it next week. Hope you have a great weekend.